Hello kids, how are you? Welcome to Learn Progress Circle. Today we are going to learn introduction letter A. This is uppercase A and lowercase a. Uppercase A, lowercase a. Okay? A is for apple. A is for apple. Apple means shape. A is for axe. Axe means kulhadi. A is for alligator. Alligator means magarmach. A is for ant. Ant means chitty. A is for apple. A is for axe. A is for alligator. A is for ant. It's writing time. Go to the top and draw one slanting line. Go to the top again and draw another slanting line downwards. Okay? Go to the middle and draw one sleeping line. This is capital letter A. Okay? Go to the top and draw one curved line. Again, draw a curved line. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.